Charot. Wala lang, testing lang kung maganda yung seat.
The ABC model stands for Antecedent, Behavior, and Consequences. For example, lagi nagtatalo ang mga magulang mo at dumating sa punto nagkahiwalay sila. That's your antecedent. Dahil kasi mo ang mundo, nagregality ka, you started taking illegal drugs and became alcoholic. Please group yourself into 2 pairs for your reporting next week. Okay, class dismissed.
Hoy, Laris. Stress ka na naman.
Oy, at least mataas grade niyan, no?
Uy, pero te, gala naman tayo.
Babawi na kung susunod na gala natin. Promise ko yan.
Oo na. Oo na, sige na. Basta next time pangako mo yan.
Oo na,
Next time dapat kasama
ingat
ka
kayo.
na.
Hoy, ingat ka na, Risa. Bye!
Maaga pa naman. Punta mo na ako library.
Sabit ang araw ko ay buong buo. Sa gabi ikaw ang panaginip. Wisit, sino ba yan? Huy!
Yun?
Yes, Miss Mendoza.
The ones are to blame are the parents. Yun pong antecedent.
How can you say so?
The parents are to be responsible. Because constant fighting can traumatize a child. Rebellion isn't always defiance sometimes. It's pain, finding a way out.
Ang ganda nun! Kahit wala ako naintindihan.
Good answer, Miss Mendoza.
But who would like to be back Miss Mendoza's grade?
I have there's 2 the highest honors in this class. Dito pa na rin yung sa.
Opo, ma'am. Sige yun, sure.
Due to your reports, Mr. Zamora. Mr. Zamora, are you with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree with Miss Mendoza?
I don't.
Oh! Sabunutan!
Why?
Yes, we have different coping mechanisms. But I think it is a high time for us to stop portraying ourselves as a victim when we were obviously offered a different path but chose the one we knew was wrong.
Very good answer, Mr. Zamora. Mendoza, do you have anything to say?
No, ma'am. Nakainis! Ba't talaga napapansin yun din,
Hoy, Zamora!
Akin yung librong yan. I found it first.
I grabbed it first.
No, I found and grabbed it first.
You let go of it. And nakuha ko. Kaya sa akin na to.
What do you mean? Library book and hindi mo yung pwede hiramin. Are you stupid?
But I get to read it first.
Di ba sobrang talino mo naman na? Hindi mo naman na kailangan yan. Kung bakit ito ang
So am I.
I indeed grabbed and saw the book first. Nakikipagtalo ka pa sa babae.
Fine. But do me a favor.
Ano ba yan? Hindi mo ba kayo binigit mo sa akin? Hindi ka na nga ano na yun.
Maging partner tayo sa reporting.
Ano?
Hoy, kanino pa kayo may dalawa dyan? Ay, sorry po, pasensya na. Oo na, tayo na. Hoy, mag-plan tayo mamayang uwian na. Ito, tas, ayun, tas ito.
Okay, gandang pagmasdan ang iyong mga mata, kumikilang-kinang. Di ko maintindihan ang iyong mga tingin, labis ang mga ningning. Langit ay bumaba, bumababa pala ang tala. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan
tingnan mo research natin.
Pwede na to.
Basahin mo muna hanggang dulo.
Ano ba to?
Fine. I'll give you the exact reason why I hate Leonjo Zamora. I hate the way he suddenly acting like a smart person. I hate the way he suddenly became competitive. Gosh, I hate when he talks to me. I hate the sound of his voice. I hate his presence. I hate the way he took care of me despite my rude attitude. I hate how he can be so annoying sometimes. I hate that he kept letting me win so I can unfrag him. Lastly, I hate the way he secretly liked me. And that you have to confess the truth.
I never planned to like you. Started as competition. Scores on board, red marks on paper, the quiet satisfaction of beating you by 1 point, and the unbearable irritation when you beat me by more. You were never supposed to be anything more than my rival, the name beside mine that teacher compared, the standard I was measured against. But somewhere between late night reviews and stolen glances during exam, I realized I was memorizing more than formulas. I became competitive than admitting the truth. I argued with you because it meant I could talk to you. I challenged you because being close to you, even as an enemy, was better than being nothing at all. I like you. I think I always have. Not despite the rivalry, but because of it. Because you pushed me, challenged me, and made me better without even trying. But as my partner, Abaya Solaris Mendoza, may I court you?
Wala sa format Zamora.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang kanta.